Tell me why I use this cup as packaging and it went viral. I know you're trying to figure out like how and why does a cup go viral, and I promise I'm gonna tell you. But first, let's talk about something. I believe that packaging is very important to any cake business. The way that you present your product plays a huge role in how your products and your business are perceived. But this doesn't necessarily mean that your packaging has to be fancy. Sometimes it's just all in the simplicity of a product. In this video, I'm gonna share with you all of the packaging ideas that I have used that have gone viral. If it has gone viral for me in multiple ways, not only in making sales for my business, but also going viral with other bakers wanting it, then that means that there is something with this packaging that I think you should consider for your cake business. If you see something in this video that you like, of course, everything will be linked in the description below. Are you ready to get into the first one? This may look like an ordinary box, but I promise you it's more than that. This is one of the very first packaging ideas that I have shared that has gone viral with over 500,000 views. And I mean, it really is just a simple cupcake box. Remember when I told you that sometimes it's just in the simplicity of an item. I have used this box as packaging for Mother's Day cupcakes. I did jazz up the box a little bit more than just like this. I used my Cricut machine to cut out the word mom to go across in like this really cute color, and then I wrapped it with a pretty pink bow. I literally sold out of all of my packaging, and actually I oversold myself, but that's beyond the point. Sharing it as hot cocoa bombs is the way that I gained over 500,000 views for just this one box alone. Me sharing with you the fact that this packaging is popular and went viral is great, but let's talk about whether or not it makes sense for your business. So I purchased this packaging from Amazon in a pack of 30 for about $18. This makes each of the boxes come out to be about $1.67 a box. The insert is included within that price. Another great thing about this box is that it is eco-friendly using the craft cardboard paper, but it's also sturdy at the same time. Other ideas and ways that you can use this box for cupcakes, hot cocoa bombs, chocolate covered strawberries, treat boxes, brownie boxes, cookie boxes, etc. This packaging right here has gained me nearly 3 million views. I like to call it my snow globe packaging because, well, it reminds me of a snow globe. I use this packaging to house my hot cocoa bomb. I filled the packaging with marshmallows at the bottom, and it makes it look just like a cute snow globe. These went absolutely crazy with sales. This is a very simple kind of packaging with a little bit of glam with the gold. You can place your cupcake or your hot cocoa bomb or your chocolate covered strawberries or whatever it is that you're selling. You can place that in here, and then this top just sits right over it. There are no snaps that snap in place, but you can use some double-sided tape to seal it in and to hold it. You can get this packaging on Amazon in a pack of 50 for about $21, which brings the price per container to about 42 cents. You can use it for cupcakes, hot cocoa bombs, chocolate covered strawberries, brownies, mini cake, whatever your creative mind can think of. Next, let's talk about these brown paper bowls that have a viral view count of over 100,000 views. This packaging is great for cake cups, brownie cups, cheesecake cups, and all of the likes. It's eco-friendly. It just looks really nice. I don't know what it is about the brown craft paper. It just really draws people in. It is a ventilated top. What you'll need to do is to put a sticker or something to cover these two holes to make sure that air isn't able to get inside the cup and then make your products go stale and crusty. These hold about 12 ounces, and then you can jazz them up with a cute sticker on the outside or on the top. So you can get these in a pack of 50. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea. You can get these in a pack of 50 on Amazon for about $31, which comes out to about 62 cents a container. You can check out my page to see how I use them, but I also want to share Joelle_Jacobs and how she uses them. And now, the moment you have all been waiting for, dun, 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 the infamous plastic cup. The packaging got over 1.2 million views in like a week. Now let me tell y'all, when I posted this, I did not expect for this to go viral. It is such a simple idea, and I was just blown away by how many comments of people telling me that I'm a genius. I mean, like, I know, but I just wasn't expecting it. And this is not my first time using a plastic cup. I have shared plastic cups before, and it did go viral. It's actually one of my most viewed videos ever here on YouTube. So I already knew that this plan would work, but I did switch it up just a little bit. It is absolutely so simple. You take the cup. You see this cup? You see this lid? You take it, you lay it flat, put your cupcake right here in this little inset. You can put a dollop of melted chocolate or a piece of tape to hold it down so it won't slip and slide. And then you take the cup, turn it upside down, and snap it into place. And then you have a very cute and simple, budget-friendly packaging. Complete genius, right? If you want to see the other way that I use plastic cups, a smaller size, then be sure that you check out this video. So I told you, great packaging doesn't have to be fancy. Sometimes it's just in the simple and practical way of packaging your goods that can make the difference. I purchased them from Sam's Club. The cups and the lids do come separately, and each cup and lid combo came out to about 13 cents a cup. Here's where I get the cup and lid combo to make this cute cupcake packaging. I use a 16-ounce cup from Sam's Club. It comes in a pack of 132. And then I get these clear lids also from Sam's Club in a pack of 500. Make sure that you get the ones that says it can fit size 12, 16, or 20 ounces. So you lay down the lid, and as you can see, there is a circle, like kind of like an inset. This is where I sit the cupcake, right in the middle. It still slides, but if you want to put like some chocolate on the bottom to hold it down, then you can do that. Turn the cup upside down and it snaps into place. And there you have your cupcake inside. You can use them as a cupcake holder. You can flip them back up right side and use them as cake cups. You can use them as cups for chocolate covered strawberries. You can use them for so many things. Cheesecake, brownies, cookies, whatever. You can get so creative with this. And if you have a Cricut machine, you can take it to the next level by cutting out cute little labels to put on the outside to jazz it up just a bit if you choose. Now, for those of you who are gonna come at me saying, well, but it's killing the planet, I will have some eco-friendly alternatives linked below for you as well. This is all about packaging that has gone viral for me, and this is what went viral. Listen, I'm all about the creativity and thinking outside of the box and finding creative and practical alternatives for our businesses that just make sense. We don't have to go the long route that everybody else is taking. Sometimes we can think outside of the box and come up with something that's even better. If you enjoyed this video and got some great ideas from it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and let me know, do you want to see more packaging videos from me or not? Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and until next time, peace.